If you have been struggling with anxiety, depression, or overthinking, or your mind feels restless, there is constant thoughts or worries, or you feel emotionally drained and you're not able to focus, and your mind is filled with worries or anxiety, this video is for you. Shri Matre Namaha, Guru Kataksham Ambalanugraham Paripurnam. Have you ever wondered how your mood suddenly swings during days like Amavasya or Paurnami or Ashtami? And some days you may feel heavy, confusing, filled with fear or doubts. And other days you have utmost clarity, you're at peace. Have you ever wondered why this happens? As per Vedic astrology, moon signifies mind, and it also suggests that moon is embodiment of mother. It represents mother. Scientifically, it is proven that the moon affects the tide of the ocean. Our body is also made up of over 70% of water, which means this lunar cycle affects our mind. Moon equally impacts our mood, our emotion, and the way we have our thoughts, having that clarity of thoughts. There are four most powerful days that is impacted by moon, which affects our mind. That is Chaturdashi, which is called as last quarter day, and Ashtami, which is first quarter day, Amavasya, which is new moon, and Paurnami, which is full moon. Many people experience mood shifts, restlessness, heightened emotions during these days, and it also signifies the mood that you're in. If you're having a happy mood, a powerful, positive mood, on these days it enhances the mood. If you're in sad, depression, feeling low, feeling dissatisfied, doubtful, anxiousness, if you are having those moods, on these days it will increase, amplifies the mood. So working on yourself with the power of mantra will help you, and with Ambal's grace you will be able to overcome these limitations. Worshipping Mata Lalitambika is most significant on these days, and in particularly every day in the evening. And I'll be giving you a powerful mantra, and when you should be chanting, how long you should be chanting, so that you are able to have that clarity of thought, you are able to have peaceful mind, you are able to overcome the fears, that anxiety that disturbs you, and to have that peacefulness, you are able to sleep peacefully. So I'll be giving you a mantra, so stay till the end to learn everything that needs for you to have that peaceful mind, which actually helps you in growing in your life. Now, worshipping Mata Lalitambika during the important days like Amavasya, Paurnami, Chaturdashi, and Ashtami is very powerful. And worshipping on Mondays is also very powerful, which is a day of moon, the Chandra. In Lalita Sahasranamam, one of the powerful namam is Om Chandra Mandala Madhyagayai Namaha. So this is the mantra that you should be chanting. I'll be explaining in detail in some time. So this is the mantra which says Ambal is the one who is residing in this moon center, who is the embodiment of 16 kalas. This mantra, Om Chandra Mandala Madhyagayai Namaha, it means Ambal's, the moon's brilliance, that fullness, that nourishing energy are nothing but Ambal's reflection. By worshipping Mata Lalitambika, by chanting this mantra, will help you in your life, and most particularly on these powerful lunar days, whereby you'll be tapping into that cosmic rhythm, and you'll be aligning with your mind, which will give you the divine clarity. Because every sufferings, every struggle that you are facing, whether be it in your health, be it in your job, be it in your business or your money, first manifests in your mind. Whatever the struggles that you are going through, it is affecting your mind. If the mind is restless or clouded, life feels blocked or stagnated. But if the mind is purified and empowered, you will feel that you can achieve anything. You can easily overcome the problems that you are going through. So your mind is very powerful. So worshipping Ambal during these powerful days becomes your sacred method to dissolve those mental fears and doubts, to have that clarity, and focus, to strengthen your emotional balance. It will eventually will help you in improving your health, will help you in improving the relationship, improving and attracting prosperity and abundance into your life. And most importantly, you'll be open to embrace Ambal's grace into your life. So the mantra to chant, if you're having anxiousness or anything related to your mind, you're facing mental related issues, then you can chant this mantra. The mantra is Om Chandra Mandala Madhyagayai Namaha. I'll repeat, Om Chandra Mandala Madhyagayai Namaha. I'll repeat once again, Om Chandra Mandala Madhyagayai Namaha. So chant this mantra, and you can chant this mantra every single day in the evening after lighting a lamp between 5:45 to 6:30 p.m. in the evening. Now, if you are a working person, you come home only after 8:30, then it's okay. You can still chant this mantra. And you can also chant this mantra in the early morning when you are leaving out to your office or you're a student, you're studying. You can chant this mantra and start your day. Most importantly, you must chant this mantra every Ashtami, every Chaturdashi. Chaturdashi comes one day before Paurnami, one day before Amavasya. So there will be 2 Chaturdashis in a month, and you have to chant on every Amavasya. You have to chant on every Paurnami. And you can chant this every single day. Or whenever you feel anxiousness, whenever you feel you're having that fear, you're having that doubt, you are feeling stuck, you're not able to get clarity of thought, chant this mantra and you'll see that your mood is shifting. You're able to become calm, you reclaim that power and you'll have clarity, and then you can go ahead with your regular activity. Now, how many times you should chant? Minimum, you must chant 27 times. You can chant 54 times or 108 times. Whenever you feel anxiousness, whenever you feel stuck, whenever you have fear during work or before writing exams or in any stressful situations, chant this mantra silently in your mind, wherever you are, whatever time it is. It will immediately stabilize your emotions. Now, I want to give you a challenge. Now, here's my challenge for you. Chant this mantra every day in the evening for 7 days, or in the morning for 7 days, just 27 times. Come back to this video and share in the comment how you feel. Did your anxiety reduce? Did you have more clarity? Were you able to overcome that fear or stagnation? Or when you feel stuck, when you chant this mantra, you feel you're able to get ideas. Yeah. So I want you to come back, take this challenge and do chant every single day for 7 days. Come back to this video and share your experience. Every Paurnami and Amavasya, before 2 or 3 days before Amavasya and Paurnami, I come out with new videos to practice Lalita Sahasranamam chanting, a method of aligning Ambal's Namam into the Paurnami and Amavasya ritual so that you are able to overcome that stagnation in your life. And if you want to go deeper into Shakti and Shakti awakening, I conduct free online workshop. I have given a WhatsApp group link below this video in the description. You can join the WhatsApp group where I'll be sharing the upcoming workshop. And if you resonate, you can join the workshop and get benefited to and understand Shakti awakening. And the Sharad Navaratri is fast approaching. If you are interested to learn to perform Sharad Navaratri sadhana, I have done a detailed course which you can enroll and get to know how to perform this Navaratri sadhana and seek Ambal's Anugraham into your life. So do this, chant this mantra and seek Ambal's Anugraham, and Ambal blesses you with strength, with the ability to rise above that anxiety, rise above that overthinking, and bless you with clarity, courage and confidence so that you are able to achieve anything that you want in your life. If you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. Guru Kataksham Ambal Anugraham Paripurnam. Shri Matre Namaha.